We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the gift for him. Beanie hats with light, USB rechargeable LED hands-free headlamp, a 2-pack in camouflage by FFIPGE. If you own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This review will cover every aspect of the Beanie hat with LED light, from its features and performance to usability, strengths, weaknesses, and overall impression based on real user feedback and technical specifications. The FFIPBGE LED Beanie is designed to be both practical and versatile, offering a blend of warmth, comfort, and hands-free illumination. It is marketed as a multifunctional accessory suitable for men, women, and teens, and is especially popular as a gift for occasions such as birthdays, holidays, and special events. The camouflage style and 2-pack format make it an appealing choice for families or those looking to share a useful gadget with loved ones. One of the standout features of this beanie is its built-in removable LED light. The LED module is designed to be unobtrusive yet powerful, offering 3 adjustable brightness settings: low, medium, and high. According to the product specifications, users can expect up to 8 hours of continuous use, though real-world battery life varies depending on the brightness setting. On a full charge, the beanie can last up to 4 hours on low brightness, 3 hours on medium, and 2 hours on high. This range provides flexibility for different scenarios, whether you need a subtle glow for walking the dog or a bright beam for outdoor work or emergencies. Charging the LED light is straightforward thanks to the integrated USB port. The light module can be removed from the beanie and plugged directly into any standard USB port, such as those found on laptops, power banks, or car chargers. This eliminates the need for disposable batteries, making the product both convenient and environmentally friendly. Users have praised the ease of recharging, noting that it is simple to keep the beanie ready for use, whether at home or on the go. The beanie itself is constructed from an ultra-soft acrylic blend material chosen for its warmth, elasticity, and comfort. The one-size medium design is intended to fit a wide range of head sizes, and the fabric provides excellent insulation against cold weather. The beanie is also machine or hand washable, provided the LED light is removed beforehand. This makes maintenance easy and ensures the hat remains hygienic and fresh, even after repeated use in outdoor environments. In terms of performance, the LED beanie has received high marks from users engaged in a variety of activities. Farmers, outdoor workers, cyclists, dog walkers, and campers have all reported that the beanie provides ample light for tasks performed in low-light conditions. The brightness of the LED is frequently highlighted as a major advantage, with several reviewers describing it as super bright and very, very bright. The ability to adjust the brightness allows users to tailor the light output to their needs, conserving battery life when maximum illumination is not required. The beanie's warmth and comfort are also consistently praised. Many users have noted that the hat keeps their head warm during cold weather, making it suitable for winter activities such as feeding livestock, shoveling snow, or taking pets outside after dark. The acrylic material is described as soft and stretchy, accommodating different head shapes without feeling tight or uncomfortable. The camouflage pattern and unisex styling add to the beanie's appeal, making it a suitable gift for a wide range of recipients. Gift giving is a recurring theme in customer feedback. The beanie is often purchased as a practical and thoughtful present for men, women, and teens. It is especially popular as a stocking stuffer during the holiday season, with many buyers reporting that their husbands, sons, brothers, or fiancés were delighted with the gift. The combination of warmth, utility, and novelty makes the beanie a standout choice for those who are difficult to shop for, and the 2-pack format allows for sharing or gifting to multiple people. In addition to its use as a gift, the beanie is valued for its everyday practicality. Users have found it helpful for late-night bike rides, evening walks, camping trips, and outdoor chores. The hands-free design is a significant benefit as it allows users to illuminate their path or workspace without needing to hold a flashlight or wear a separate headlamp. This is particularly useful for tasks that require both hands, such as carrying groceries, repairing equipment, or managing pets. Despite its many strengths, the LED beanie is not without minor drawbacks. Some users have noted that the battery life, while sufficient for most activities, may not be adequate for extended use on the highest brightness setting. For example, those who require continuous illumination for more than 2 hours at maximum brightness may need to recharge the light module or carry a backup. Additionally, while the beanie is designed to be machine washable, care must be taken to remove the LED light before washing to avoid damage. This extra step is a minor inconvenience, but is necessary to maintain the longevity of the product. Another consideration is the fit. While the one-size-medium design is intended to be universal, individuals with particularly large or small heads may find the fit less than ideal. However, most users report that the beanie is comfortable and stays in place during normal activities. The acrylic material's stretchiness helps accommodate different head sizes, but those with specific fit preferences may wish to try the beanie on before purchasing if possible. The durability of the beanie and LED module is generally regarded as good, with users reporting that the product holds up well to regular use and washing. The LED light is securely attached yet easy to remove, and the acrylic fabric resists pilling and wear. The camouflage design is both stylish and functional, helping the beanie blend into outdoor settings while adding a touch of personality. From a technical perspective, the beanie is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which is included with the product. The battery is rechargeable via USB, and the LED bulb is designed for energy efficiency and long life. The product dimensions are 8.66 by 7.87 by 7.87 inches, and the item weight is 9.6 ounces, making it lightweight and portable. The beanie is manufactured in China and comes with a 1-year warranty, providing additional peace of mind for buyers. The product has received a strong positive response from customers, with an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 149 ratings. It ranks well in the sports and outdoors category, particularly among camping headlamps. The high customer satisfaction is reflected in repeated purchases, with several buyers returning to buy additional beanies for family members after experiencing the product firsthand. In summary, the FFIP-GE LED beanie hat is a well-designed and practical accessory that combines warmth, comfort, and hands-free lighting in a single package. Its rechargeable LED module, adjustable brightness settings, and easy maintenance make it suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities and everyday tasks. The beanie's popularity as a gift underscores its versatility and appeal, and its strong customer ratings attest to its quality and performance. While there are minor considerations regarding battery life and fit, these are outweighed by the beanie's many strengths. For those seeking a reliable and thoughtful gift, or a practical solution for hands-free illumination in cold weather, the FFIP-BGE LED beanie is a standout choice. Remember to check the product link in the description and consider leaving your own review if you have used this beanie, as your feedback can help others make informed decisions.